Good morning teachers, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you my design updated RPMS portfolio for the school year 2022-2023. This is an editable PowerPoint file and you can download this one for free. I'm going to show you the content of this RPMS portfolio template. Okay, on the first slide, it contains your cover page. This is set on an A4 size bond paper. The second slide is the KRE1. Next is the Objective 1. Your MOV for Objective 1 slide is where you're going to put your MOV for Objective 1. Okay, for Objective 2, next, MOVs for Objective 2. Then attach your MOV for this blank slide, another MOV for another blank slide for objective, MOV for objective number 2, Objective 3, your MOV for Objective 3, then attach here or paste here your MOVs for Objective 3. Next is the KRE2, then Objective 4, your MOV for Objective 4, then attach here your MOVs for Objective 4, Objective 5, your MOV for Objective 5, Objective 6, your MOV, paste here. Okay, next is the KRE3, your Objective number 7, next is your MOVs for Objective 7, attach here your Objective MOVs for Objective 7. Next is Objective 8, your MOVs for Objective 8, Objective 9, Objective 10, your MOVs, 11, your MOVs, Objective 12. Next is the KRE5, Objective number 13, your MOVs for Objective 13, 14. Okay, you can attach here your, for the plus factor, you can attach here your certificates. You can add several slides for objective number 15. Okay, so you can download this one for free. You just simply click the show more icon below this video and then you can see the Google link to download this PowerPoint file. Thank you so much for watching.